Hello, Mrs. Selfie and all of my friends. My name is Calvin Afrilian.
My name is Ferdinand Marciano Thomas Ire.
My name is Octavianus Diadi.
My name is Laurentius Bolibotan.
Today we will make an English discussion video. Mrs. Selfie and all of my friends, today we will discuss about one topic. We know that in Indonesia there are many mining activities and natural resources such as nickel, coal, palm oil, and etc. The mining activities can make an economic benefits for Indonesia, also can provide many jobs for peoples. But on the other side, we also know that the mining activities can make the damage in our environmental. So today we will discuss about one question. Should Indonesia prioritize the environmental protection or should Indonesia prioritize the economic benefits from mining activities? We have Brother Dandi, Brother Okto, and Brother Robi that will give their opinion. So first, I will ask Brother Dandi. What is your opinion about this?
Thank you for the question, but before I answer that, we need to know that mining companies are very important for Indonesia's economy. Many people work in mining industries and palm oil plantations. With these industries, it helps them to earn money and support their families. Therefore, they also can increase the national income. Therefore, I think that mining companies must be prioritized rather than national resources. Without these companies, many people will lose their jobs.
Thank you for your good opinion, Brother Dandi. So, you think that Indonesians should prioritize the economic benefits from mining activities? And then I will ask Brother Okto. What is your opinion about this question?
Thank you, Brother Calvin. Personally, I think the environmental protection should be a priority. The growth economic is important, but the environmental protection is also very important. The mining companies should the deforestation and it can cause the pollution in rivers and air. And it can also lead to deforestation and destroy habitats with life. Thank you.
Thank you for your opinion, Brother Okto. And I can hear that in your opinion, you say that we should prioritize the protection of our environments. So now I will ask Brother Robi. What is your opinion about this question? Are you agree with Brother Dandi or Brother Okto, or you have your opinion about this?
Okay, thank you. I think both sides of two brothers have a good argument. On one hand, mining industries help us to grow our economy and also provide our jobs. On the other hand, they can damage the environment. So, in my opinion, Indonesia should balance between economic growth and environment protection. The country should not focus only on money, but also on sustainability. Natural resources are valuable, but they must also use with wise. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Brother Robi, for your opinions. I also agree with you in my opinions. The key word is balance. We need to make a balance in our country. We make a balance for the environmental protection. We also make a balance for the economic benefits. So now I will ask the next question. If we know that this is the problem in our country, so what is your advice for our country? What should our country do about this problem or about the question before I ask? Should we prioritize the economic benefits or the environmental protection? What is your advice for our country? First, I will ask Brother Dandi. What is your advice, Brother Dandi?
I think it's very interesting what Brother Robbie said that we should hit the balance. Therefore, I think, in my opinion, the Indonesia's government should create a stricter regulations for mining companies. The companies must follow the environmental rules and protect nature. For example, they should manage waste properly and avoid polluting the rivers. If they break the rules, the government should give them strong punishment. By this way, Indonesia's economy can continue and the environmental damage can be reduced.
Thank you for your good advice, Brother Dandi. And then I will ask Brother Okto. What is your advice about this?
In my advice, the mining companies should be responsible for the environment, but the mining companies, after the mining activities finish, they should restore the land and plant trees again. Restoration is very important to rebuild the damaged ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you for your solution or advice, Brother Okto. And then I will ask Brother Robbie. Do you have any advice or solution for our government or country about this problem?
I think Indonesia should start developing sustainable mining practice. Technology can help us reduce environmental damage. For example, companies can use cleaner technology and better waste management system. In addition, Indonesia should also invest more better renewable energy. This can reduce dependence on mining in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Brother Robbie, for your interesting ideas. I think from our discussion today, whoever we have many ideas about Brother Dandi that we should prioritize the economic, or Brother Okto that we should prioritize the environmental protection, or Brother Robbie that said we need to keep the balance, and also we also have here the advice from you for our countries. From our discussion today, we can conclude that the one key word is balance. We need to keep the balance in our life and also in our country. For example, we need to think about the economic benefits from mining activities, and we also need to think about the environmental protection. We cannot do only one. We need to do the two of them, and we also need to keep balance of our mining activities and also the environmental protection. So, natural resource can support the economy, but they must be managed wisely so that the future generations can also benefit from our mining activities and also for the all that we have today. So that is from our discussion. Thank you and have a nice day. Mrs. Selvi and all of our friends, that's our English video. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day and see you later.